I'm so thirsty. Mario needs some refreshment.
Copycat!
Know what? Lyric, can you help me?
No, and my name's not Lyric.
Let me rephrase it. Help me, Lyric, you're my only hope.
No.
Then it looks like we're doing this the hard way.
Mamma mia!
Hey Mario, I've got a quest for you.
Quest, I'm already on a quest.
I will give you spaghetti.
Tego!
I haven't even told you what you'll be doing.
Your wish is my command.
See that braided girl down there? She took my Sonic from me. Destroy her.
Okie dokie.
Yeah, it's like watching paint dry. It's so boring.
For spaghetti.
Mission accomplished.
Here's your money.
Crud.
I still don't know what to do with this ridge. I was going to get Metronet, but it's just so small. Now I've missed my own movie because of it.
Oh no!
What is this place? How rude! I must find someone who's not a jerk. Where is everyone?
Many people here have come to visit the house with your favorite legend.
What do you think I should do with this new fridge?
Truth animal virgin, we're all here.
Great idea.
Ow!
Surely there must be someone here who isn't a jerk.
It's me. Have you seen my Yeti?
Well, what does he look like?
He's a big bird with glowing red eyes.
Oh, that's...
That was fun, but it's time to get back to tearing this stupid planet in half.
Actually, I don't know where he is.
You do.
Here he is. Look at me, really think families. I'm such a good person.
Can you fake him?
Of course, I'm a pro at everything.